Welcome to the Manthan platform. We are delighted to have you as a user here. Here is how each user can navigate through this innovative platform which promotes collaboration at scale between academia, startups, grassroots innovators, and industry and philanthropic sectors. The functionality available to users on the Manthan platform depends on their roles. Demand-side users who belong to industry, government, and philanthropic sector can create opportunities, events and exhibitions on the platform. Supply-side users who belong to academic and research institutes, startups, MSMEs and even grassroots innovators can respond to opportunities, submit proposals, and attend events and exhibitions. This is what the home page looks like. Use the menu to navigate through the platform functionalities. The home page tab displays success stories, dashboards, and knowledge partners. The co-funders tab highlights the co-funding partners of Manthan. The opportunities tab can be used by industry philanthropic users to create opportunities, while other users can view and respond. The Industry R&D tab is where industry users create classified and general R&D opportunities. In classified opportunities, there is a China wall between the industry and institutions. The Segments tab is a showcase of all segments including STI clusters, women in STEM, etc. The SDG tab is a showcase of proposals, opportunities, and SMEs by the UN Sustainable Development Goals. In the Exhibitions tab, innovations can be scheduled and demonstrated. In the Events tab, demand-side users can create virtual conferences and focused group discussions. Use the magnify symbol to search for content across the platform. The bell icon showcases all notifications. The colored circle can be used to update a user's profile. Let's begin by registering ourselves as a user on the platform. All types of users are welcome to sign up by clicking the register button on the top of your screen. Users are requested to register using their official email ID, which will provide them access to all features on the platform. Ensure your email ID is correct, as a one-time password, OTP, will be sent to the official email address. Enter the OTP and a particular user will be directed to complete a user profile. The next step in the registration process is to add your organization. Please choose the appropriate organization type and enter the name of your organization. Based on the organization type selected, you will be assigned demand-side or supply-side roles in the platform. If your organization is already there in the Manthan platform, it will come up for selection. Otherwise, you can type in your organization name and click on the next button. In the next screen, please add the location, country, industry sector, and your organization website address. Once you have entered the information, click on the next button to save this organization to your profile. If you are a member of multiple organizations, you can add all of them to your profile. It is also important to fill your complete user profile. In the Basic Info tab, you can provide a brief description about yourself, your current job profile, education details, as well as information on your patents, publications, and rewards. You can also indicate your areas of interest, which will include the Sustainable Development Goals or emerging technologies. This will drive the content that you will see on the platform. You can also opt to be an SME by clicking on the SME button and clicking on the Yes, I want to be an SME. Please fill up the form and indicate your area of expertise, and you will be featured in the SME section on the various pages in the platform. Do fill out your social networking handles and notification preferences as well. Once a user is logged in, this is how the home page will look like. The home page provides basic information about the Manthan platform. The homepage also features videos about the Manthan platform. All users can view success stories facilitated by the Manthan platform. The dashboards and the list of knowledge partners are also displayed here. Let's look at the success story section. There are two types of success stories featured here: successful collaboration and project outcome. Users can click on the View All link to view all the success stories. Clicking on any success story card will take users to the details of the success story, where they can view the outcomes, industry and academic partners, and other details of the project. Let's hover over the dashboard section. The Manthan platform provides various interactive dashboards. Some of the key platform KPIs are listed on the home page, and a detailed dashboard view can be viewed by clicking the View More button. These self-service dashboards provide a variety of data on opportunities, proposals, success stories, and their funding and research partners. The last section of the home page lists the partners who have contributed towards conceptualizing and designing the platform. These include knowledge partners and well as members of our expert consultation group. Now, how does a user create an opportunity? Click on the Opportunities tab. Industry, philanthropic users can create opportunities, problem statements, request innovations, R&D solutions, and others. These demand-side users can choose the type of opportunity, fill out an opportunity creation form. The opportunity creation form contains 4 sections. The first section is request details, where users can add the title, description, associated SDG, thematic areas, and emerging technologies, and add any tags to the opportunity. Users can choose how the proposal owner will submit their response on the platform itself, by email to the specified email address, or on a third-party bulletin board where the opportunity may be hosted. Users can also associate the opportunity with the segments in the platform such as government, international, women in STEM, and school innovation. Other details about the opportunity can be entered, including technology readiness levels, objective and outcome, and proposed IPR ownership. In the funding section, users can enter the funding amount and mention any other offerings such as facilities and mentorship in the offerings section. Users also upload brochures and documents in the attachments section. In the Eligibility Criteria tab, users can specify the kind of institutes that will be able to respond to the opportunity among academia, startups, MSMEs, and even individual innovators. Users can also specify the educational qualification of the responder, including school student, faculty, and PhD. The platform allows users to assign peer reviewers to the opportunity by clicking on the Require Peer Reviewer checkbox in the evaluation criteria. Users can click on the Assign Peer Reviewer button to add SME peer reviewers via the platform. A request for help from the moderators to assign peer reviewers can also be done by the user. It is possible to add evaluation criteria such as team size, budget, etc., which will be used by the reviewer to evaluate the proposals. The final section of the response template shows the preview of the response form that will be filled in by responders. There is a selection of optional fields that users can add to the response form. Now users need to choose the affiliation, launch date, when it will be open for submissions, submission cutoff, and the selection date, which is the date by which you will select the final proposals. How do you, as a supply-side users, submit responses to opportunities? Academic startups can view all opportunities and respond by submitting proposals. Users can view open and archived opportunities on this page and view their details. Users can filter the opportunity based on SDG, emerging technology, and the type of opportunity, and even search for it. Users can click on the opportunity to view all the details about the opportunity. Click on Submit Response under Opportunities allows users to send their response to an opportunity. A user can select an existing innovation, wherein the proposal response form will be pre-populated with the details of your innovation. Clicking on Create New opens a clear response form that needs to be filled and submitted. Users would need to fill the title and description of the project, add the relevant SDG and thematic areas, budget information, and other details. Please choose the appropriate affiliation and click on the Submit button to submit your response. Next is the Industry R&D menu. Here users from industry can submit opportunities. It is possible to create classified opportunities where there is a China wall to ensure confidentiality. If you have access to this functionality, you will be able to see the link on the right top corner of the page. By clicking on the link, you can open the form to enter the opportunity details like the title, description, SDG and thematic area, and emerging technology areas. Using the Classified tab, you can limit the visibility of the proposals to only certain selected institutions. You can choose one or more institutions from the classified list. Data about these opportunities or the submitted proposals is not visible to anyone else in the platform but these institutes. Demand-side users can also create non-classified opportunities by choosing the non-classified option and filling up and submitting the form. The View R&D Proposals page is the repository of all R&D proposals submitted to the platform. Users can search and filter the proposals based on SDG and emerging technologies. The platform also displays an automatically generated rating of the proposal based on various factors such as the profile of the proposal owner and past proposal feedback. You can click on any proposal to view the proposal details. Demand-side users can click on Message button to connect with the proposal owner. If you click on the proposal owner name, you can also review their profile. Let's hover over the SDG section to understand how to view and submit proposals. The Manthan platform has a set of dedicated pages to view proposals and opportunities categorized across UN Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. The summary page lists all the SDGs.
Clicking on any SDG card takes the user to the details page for the specific SDG. Users can view opportunities, proposals, and SMEs aligned to the specific SDG within this page.
Users can also click on any SME to view their details such as affiliations, areas of interest, and publications. Supply-side users can submit their proposals to be uploaded to the SDG page by clicking on the Submit Proposal button. It is important to select the correct type of proposals such as innovation or R&D so that the specific form opens. The proposal form has various sections like title, description, associated SDGs and emerging technologies, product USPs, founder details, funding partner, and references. It is possible to download the standard proposal template, fill in the details, and upload it in the attachment section. Users can also associate these proposals with the Women in STEM and School Innovation segments. Finally, users need to provide their consent to publish the proposal on the platform. This proposal will be visible to other users in the SDG and section pages only if the user provides this consent. Let's also view various section pages. Users can view City STI cluster proposals. The landing page provides an overview and purpose of the Science and Technology Innovation clusters supported by the Office of PSA. Users can click on the individual city cluster to view the proposals and SMEs associated with that cluster. The Government Opportunities and POC page provide a list of opportunities by state governments and central line ministries. Governments can showcase a proof of concept for knowledge sharing. The International Partnerships page showcases opportunities from foreign governments, global foundations, and international companies and agencies, as well as a list of SMEs. There is also a dedicated page to highlight women in STEM. It features a curated list of prominent women in STEM and features opportunities and proposals associated with this section. Users can request to be featured in this section by clicking on the Membership Request button. All opportunities and proposals for school students are highlighted in the School Innovation section. Demand-side users can create exhibitions and invite other supply-side users to showcase their innovations. First, you need to request for an exhibition by specifying the title, description, associated SDG, and emerging technologies along with the exhibition dates. Once the moderator approves the exhibition, it will be published on the platform. If you want to invite users to your exhibition, you can get a meeting link by clicking on the share button and copy the meeting link. You can send this link to any user to attend the exhibition. You can also invite supply-side users from the platform by viewing their responses to an open exhibition, or invite users who have submitted responses to your opportunity for opportunity-linked exhibitions. While inviting a user to an exhibition, you can add additional attendees and specify the date and start and end times. You can either choose the default Manthan video conferencing service or provide the link to any third-party video conferencing service. Your meeting schedule for the exhibition can be viewed at any time by clicking on the calendar button. In order to attend an exhibition, users can view their notification and click on the meeting link. Alternatively, they can navigate to the Open Exhibitions tab, view their invitations in the My Appointments section. Clicking on the Join button opens up a separate tab where you can attend the video conference. This is a full-fledged video conferencing tool where users can share their videos and showcase their innovations. Interested in creating an event? That's possible too. Demand-side users can click on the Events page to view and create a request. They need to fill up the request form by clicking on the Request for Event form on the Events page. This form contains various details like the event name, description, and its key You can create auditorium sessions to enable knowledge sharing with a large audience. You can also create focus group discussions with a smaller set of subject matter experts. Once your event is approved by the moderator, you can edit the event and add the auditorium session and focus group discussions. To add an auditorium session, click on the Auditorium Sessions tab and click on the Add Session button under the specific date. This opens up a form where you can add a session description and add speakers to the session. Similarly, you can go to the Focus Group Discussions tab and create a new session. Here it is possible to invite multiple subject matter experts to the session. This creates a virtual conference link for the session. You can view the link and share it with fellow participants. Other users can view the open and archive events on the platform. They can open an open event and view the different auditorium and focus group discussion sessions. They can choose to attend one or more sessions. In order to join an auditorium session, users can either click on the meeting link received from the event creator or go to the events page and click on the meetings button. This shows the upcoming meetings and you can click on the join button to join the meeting. When a user clicks on the Join button, the video conference opens up in another window. In order to join the conference from a link, you will first need to validate your credentials on Manthan, and then you will be directly taken to the conference page. There are a number of virtual conferencing functionalities available in Manthan. Moderators can manage meeting attendees by setting their permissions to speak, share video, and present. It is also possible to create breakout rooms for multiple participants. There is also a chat functionality available for the conference participants. Please read the FAQs for queries about the Manthan platform. Users can also view the user manual for details on Manthan's functionalities. Thanks for watching this video and enjoy leveraging the Manthan platform.